Hello, I am Dr. Steven, and welcome to Gentle Health, where we share simple, science-backed ways to care for your body at any age. You might not believe this, but there are certain cooked vegetables, yes, ordinary ones you may already have in your kitchen, that can help protect and even repair aging eyes while you sleep. I know it sounds too simple, but after working with seniors for over 30 years, I have seen how losing clear vision can quietly take away independence. Not being able to drive at night, struggling to recognize a loved one's face, or needing help to read a menu. Often, it happens so gradually that we do not notice until it starts limiting our life. This is not your fault. Your eyes are aging just like the rest of your body. But that does not mean you are powerless. Some of the best support for your eyes may already be on your plate. Today, we will talk about 4 cooked vegetables that can gently nourish your eyes, especially in the evening when your body is in repair mode. First, carrots. They are rich in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for night vision and reducing glare. Cooking carrots and pairing them with a healthy fat like olive oil or butter unlocks more of their benefits. Eating them at dinner allows your body to use that vitamin A while you rest, helping to rebuild light-sensitive cells. Next, broccoli. It contains lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that protect your retina from inflammation and damage, especially in the macula, the part of your eye that lets you see detail. Lightly steaming broccoli and adding a touch of healthy fat makes these nutrients easier to absorb, helping reduce blurriness and eye strain over time. Then we have kale, one of the richest sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. These pigments act like natural sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful light. Light cooking softens kale and releases these nutrients, making it more digestible. For those worried about macular degeneration, adding kale regularly can help protect the vision you still have. Lastly, zucchini. Soft, mild, and over 90% water, it hydrates your eyes and helps prevent dryness. It also provides vitamin C and minerals that keep your eye structure strong. Gentle cooking makes it easy to digest and perfect for an evening meal. Now imagine combining all 4, carrots, broccoli, kale, and zucchini, into one warm dish. Lightly zucchini in olive oil, add chopped carrots, then broccoli and kale. Steam together for a few minutes, season lightly, and you have a simple, nourishing bowl that supports your eyes while you sleep. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little hope for their eyesight. Remember, your comeback does not have to be loud. It just has to begin.